just clean it out, take the fuel tanks up here and take it on the arena. Something to do.
It's too bad you guys weren't here yesterday to take the pictures of the water running over the back there. I mean, it just came with a vengeance, you know.
The lake is a site, and there are two sites there, East and West Maples. We have Boyle, which is right across on the other side of the spillway, and then over at Sandy Beach on both sides. I think we know what the predictions were. Yeah. We're building to that level, and everybody gets their stuff on there, and we don't have a major wind like we had 95 kilometer winds in 2011. That knocked down 1,100 feet of berm, or of water berm, no, sandbag. So we've got to, like the water berms, we know they're going to work, but we also have to have sandbags on pallets behind the breach or near the So it's, I always go in with an option A, B, and C.